Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the split strategy to solve subtraction questions. So let's get started. So when you're using the split strategy to solve a subtraction question, it's a little bit different. There are a few things you need to remember. But first off, when we use the split strategy, we split or partition the number using place value and then subtract them. What you need to remember is to always have the largest number first. So all the digits in this number need to be bigger than this one. That is the most important thing, or else your question will not make sense and you'll end up with a negative number, and we don't want that. All right, so the first step you need to take when you're solving a subtraction question is you need to always add the thousands first. So that's the number that's here. Then you need to add the hundreds. So that's the number here. Then you need to add the tens. Then you need to add the ones. Then what you need to do is you need to plus them all together, and that will be your answer. That will go up here. So 8,951 take away 5,841 is 3,110. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example. So as you can see up here, I've got the number sentence 6,642 take away 3,311. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away my thousands. So I've got 6,000s and I've got 3,000s. So I'm going to do 6,000, take away 3,000s equals 3,000. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I need to take away my hundreds. So I've got 600s and I've got 300s. So 600 take away 300 equals 300. Then I need to take away my tens. So I've got 4 tens and I've got 1 10. So 40 take away 10 is 30. Lots of threes in this number. Then I need to take away my ones. So 2 take away 1. So you can see each time the number in the left hand side is always bigger than the number in the right hand side. That's very, very important. Always make sure that the number on the left is always bigger than the number on the right. So 2 take away 1 equals 1. Now what I need to do is I need to add them all together to find out my answer. So 3,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 1 equals 3,331. So that's my answer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to solve a 5-digit subtraction question. Okay, when we solve a 5-digit number, we're doing the exact same thing. So when we use a split strategy, we split or partition the number using place value and then subtract them. But always remember to put the largest number first. So when we take away 5-digit numbers, we need to always start with the 10,000 number. So that's the number that's here. Then what you need to do is you need to add the thousands. So that's the number next to it. Then you need to add the hundreds, then the tens, and then the ones together. Then what you need to do down the bottom is you need to add them all together to get your answer. So 98,951 take away 45,841 equals 33,110. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to take away a 5-digit number using the split strategy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away my 10,000. So I've got 4 10,000s and 2 10,000s. So 40,000 take away 20,000 is 20,000. Then I need to take away my thousands. So I've got 8,000s here and 6,000s here. So 8,000 take away 6,000 is 2,000. Remember, so each time this number is always bigger than this number, or else it's not going to work. Then I'm going to take 500s and 300s away from each other. So that is this number here and this number here. That's going to equal 200. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away my tens. So I've got 5 tens and I've got 1 10. So 50, 5 tens, take away 1 10, which is 10, is 40. Then what I need to do is I need to take away my ones. So I've got 7 ones and I've got 5 ones. So 7 take away 5 equals 2. Now what I need to do is I need to add all of those together. So 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 20 plus 40 plus 2, which is 22,232. Okay, so that was the end of this video. So what you need to do now is you need to go back onto Google Classroom and complete the activity for Wednesday, which is split strategy subtraction. I hope you've enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow. Bye!